I love it. I've been a little MIA, but I am going to reset my bedding first by removing everything from the bed and sprinkling baking soda and washing all my covers, including my mattress protector. And I'm going to just start layering my bed with the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, and whoever said duvets was a thing. Like, I never been a duvet girl. I've always been a comforter girl for the longest time, and now I know why. They're just such a hassle. I like the actual duvet insert itself, but putting the insert inside of the duvet, a headache. But it's done. I got it done. Believe me, it's not as easy as it look here. It took me hours to wash, steam, because this is a linen duvet from Casalina. I will leave it linked below. It's super plush, and I got these pillows from Home Goods, which whenever I want to just change out my pillows, I'll order a pillow case from Amazon, but I'm going back to my original pillow shams that are feathered down because it just feels right for the season. And yeah, so if you're interested, you'll see me change out a few things. I'm just trying to give the room a new look because it does get dull and boring, and I just don't like adding too much. I am incorporating more black in my room, but very subtle. I love a modern, elegant, and feminine aesthetic, and I did find a lovely picture of my mom, and I just can't wait to get it blowed up. I also love to shop my home because I would have made several purchases and not used things, and this is a perfect time to refresh your space by removing certain items and bringing other ones in. And all I did was remove the 2 or 3 vases that I had and just switch them around. And also I added my Bible and put a candle on top, and it just opened the space up and made it more airy. So shopping at home is a great way to refresh your space, and now I feel like it's a different space, and it just feels so light and airy in here, and I am obsessed. I did jump on Crate and Barrel because I was watching a vlog and a YouTuber was in a Crate and Barrel and they happened to walk by this cup and I caught it on TV and I was like, oh my god, I need to have that cup, and it happened to be on clearance, so it definitely was meant to be. So I'll be showing you some things that I picked up and ordered from Target, Amazon, and this cup from Crate and Barrel. So stay tuned to the end for that and don't forget to subscribe. A lot of these pieces is from my desk, and I found this one at Target. I just thought it was different. Alright, and this is wood. Okay, and so the next thing is this. It's like a pot. I guess you can put like a small plant in it, and it's so cute. Look at the texture on there. I really love that. And so yeah, I actually picked that up from the thrift store. Next is this little canister right here. And I guess you can keep little things inside. It's like a cream color. I just hit it. It's like a cream color. It kind of have those tones in it, and it also comes with a lid. It comes with the lid, and so it's super cute. Like if you want to hide away like little junk, I don't know what I'm gonna actually use it for. It's like a concrete texture, but I love that it's a rib material on there. All right, next, something that matches that is this candle. It's similar to that. It has the ribbed material or ceramic ribbed detailing from Target's Heart and Hand. I love that. It's cute. It's really, really cute. Now, I don't know if all of these items are going to make it to the actual desk, but you ever heard of manifesting? Okay, so every time I go and look at the desk, I see another desk. So now I'm honing in on another desk that is like $300 more than the original desk. So we're gonna open this package. And see what we got. And so I got, it's called the Gratitude Journal, and it's like this. I'm not gonna open it for you guys. I'm gonna wait till I get the desk to do that. It has plastic on it, and I'll link everything below. This journal was only $10, guys. Like, you have to go get it. It's a gratitude journal. I don't know what the insides look like, but look at that. It's all cream. It's so nice. I'm sorry, I'm getting me another one. It's so nice. I got that. And then I also got this here. Let's show you what it is. Ba-dum-bum-bum. It's a coaster. You peel it off, I guess. Okay, so there has to be another side because, all right, here we go again. All that for this. Literally, my daughter had to pick at it with her nails to get it to come off. Do you guys see it? Because it's like invisible. And she's cracking paper. Okay, so you guys can see it. So it's that viral coaster. I know. I have only marble coasters in my house. So I think it's cute. Like, so you can see it. Like, it's cute. You put your little drink or whatever, snack. I think it's cute, right? I feel like the neutral thing is getting out of hand. At least it is for me. Like, it's getting out of hand. Everything is registering right. So I'm going to turn lighting down on the camera to try to get the right colors, hopefully. Yeah, the neutral thing is getting out of hand, but I love it. It just calms me. It uplifts me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.